What's up guys, Nezo here. Today we're going to be checking out another Starsound Gladiator amplifier, this time the SSG 9400.4. This is the smaller amplifier compared to the last one that we tested. We're once again testing in the test car, the Corsa OEM battery, thin, small Starsound wiring kit. We've got it hooked up to a pair of coaxial speakers and it's powering one 8-inch Starsound subwoofer. We're going to be doing a review on the Starsound subwoofer after this. Well, there's actually two of them, but we'll get to that in time to come. For now, let's check this out. Okay, now we're going to be unboxing the amplifier. The packaging itself has the exact same layout as the previous amplifier. It's just got the model number, some basic info. You open it, the packaging is the same. Unlike the other amplifier, there wasn't a base controller. Once we open the manual, under specifications, there's once again no power rating. I expected there to be a power rating, but the other one didn't have it. Rest of the manual shows you all the safeties, do's, don'ts. Here's the wiring options, etc. When you open the amplifier has a really cool, sleek look to it. I like the design of the heatsink on the side of the amplifier. It takes spade terminals. That's your 4 channels, front and top, rear at the bottom. Nice Starsound logo on it. On the side of the amplifier, you'll see the front and rears different from each other. The front has a gain setting and frequency setting with a frequency selector, whether it's full range or high pass, whereas the rear has high pass, low pass, full range, and a slope selector with your gains. There's inputs, outputs. Let's actually compare this amplifier to the other Gladiator amplifier so you can have a better sense of what's the difference. Let's throw it in. Okay, let's do the side-by-side comparison on the 12,400.4 and the 9,400.4. Looking at the speaker output and power input, both are identical. They both take the spade terminals. The only visual difference is the fuse colors, which indicates that it's different power ratings, and then the 12,400 has output for fans. The heatsink is exactly the same color, same style, same everything, with the exception of the 12,400 is slightly longer. The 12,400.4 has a bit more features. It has, if you look at the two, the crossovers are not the same. The 12,400.4 has extra plugs. That's for the high-low converter. So you, in the event of you using this amplifier in an OEM application where the radio doesn't have RCA output, you could just use the high-level inputs, plug it directly into the 12,400.4. No need for RCAs. The 12,400.4 also has a controller that allows you, well, it's a bass controller, so it allows you to control the volume of the subwoofer or the volume of the output on the rear channels or channel 3 and 4. The smaller amplifier doesn't have that. The crossovers are also pretty different, where the 12,400.4 is mirrored. Channel 1 and 2 is exactly the same as 3 and 4. Anyway, let's do some listening and then we'll take it from there.
Yeah.
time for a quick overview. It's an entry-level amplifier, yet it surprised me. It has a lot of output, a lot more than I expected. The fronts were alive. It's not, once again, an audiophile amplifier. Please don't mistake it for an audiophile amplifier. It's a great starting amplifier. You want to do a system upgrade, this amplifier is a great point, especially for the budget focused. It's good for what it is. What I didn't like is it didn't have the bass controller, but the thing there is, it's 4 channels don't generally come with that. It's just that the bigger version of this amplifier kind of spoilt us. It spoilt us with mirrored crossovers on channel 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It spoilt us with that. It spoilt us with the bass controller. So my honest opinion, if you're going to be running a subwoofer on it, while this amplifier can handle a subwoofer perfectly well and it's got more than enough power for it, if you do intend doing that, spend a little more money and get the bigger version that has the bass controller. If you do happen to have a head unit like us that has subwoofer control, by all means go for this, no problem with that. Other than that, the amplifier is really good. Use a pair of entry-level subwoofers if you want. I'd ideally use this as I have it in this car. Coaxials in the front, small subwoofer in the back. It's current efficient. It's really good in terms of value for money. I did have a few guys have a listen to the system. Everyone said that if they're looking for a system for a daily, be it a work car or whatever, this would make a really good combo. Set of coaxials in the front, that particular 4-channel amplifier in the back, and a little woofer. So yeah, there you have it. Next up, we're going to be reviewing Starsound, the 8-inch woofer that we've used in here. And yeah, let's take it away from there. See you next time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and as always, give us feedback. Let us know what you think about the channel, what you think about the products. If you have any feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for the support, guys. See you soon.